Hi there, welcome back to Splashes YouTube channel. I'm Ardell, and today we're in the Richmond showroom. I wanted to show you some of the things you can do to customize or personalize your shower or tub and shower space. So we've got lots of things on display, but we've got many more things in their catalogs. Let us know what you're looking for and we'll make it perfect for you. One option is exposed piping. So this control has the controls on the side for the temperature, and on this side it acts as a diverter. So it moves it from a fixed rain head, look at the size of that one, to a hand shower. Easy to use, easy to install. The next option is doing something classic, something very simple. You've got a set of controls here, and you've got a hand shower that we've put on where a shower head would typically be. This allows you to take the hand shower off, wash the walls, wash yourself, and put it back into a simple holder. If this isn't the size or the shape or the color of the hand shower that you're looking for, we've got a full range of other hand showers to show you. We've got some on display over here, and what these are able to do is show you that it comes in a brushed finish, it comes in a chrome and white finish, it comes in simple, small, medium, large, whatever you're looking for. We also have them in round shapes, square shapes, modern, traditional. Believe me, we can put this together and make something exactly as you dreamed it would be. If you've got your faucet figured out, whether it's modern or traditional, we can use the handle on your faucet to match with the shower valve handle. We can also do it vice versa. You can pick your shower valve first and we can find a coordinating faucet. This is one of the newest ideas from Hansgrohe, and they've made it even simpler. You use the center knob to find your temperature, leave it the same every day, same temperature, and this knob will turn on one function, let's say your tub spout, and this function will turn on the second one, let's say your shower head. You can have them on at the same time or one at a time, whatever you need to do. We're here to help you customize your shower and make it the exact thing you wanted it to be.